Local news for Tuesday the 21st of January. The Wairarapa Balloon Festival will take place in April this year with 4 days of action, set down for the 9th, encompassing Easter weekend. This year will also see the option of balloon rides available for purchase, with the Trust House night show scheduled for Saturday the 11th. The motocross community responsible for maintaining the track at Featherston's Lake Domain has closed it until further notice to avoid any potential health and safety incidents and allow for consultation on the future scope and position of the motocross track within the Featherston community. The South Wairarapa District Council will work with the motocross community to help establish a viable option. Alatoi Wairarapa Museum of Art and History, in partnership with City Gallery Wellington, Te Whare Toi will present Gone Home, an exhibition curated by Robert Leonard and Gavin Hipkins, showcasing photographs by Hipkins and Peter Perrier in a game of visual snap. It's set down for Saturday the 7th of March, beginning from 11 a.m. And in sport, the Wairarapa men's cricket side have scored a stunning victory over Manawatu at the weekend in the Furlong Cup, scoring 214 and 62. Manawatu managed just 203 and 52. Ethan Childs with bowling figures of 6 for 51 and 4 for 26. Well done. For Wairarapa Local News, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.